everyone, welcome to Swiflearn. Hope all of you are doing good. So today is section 3 of the topic number system and its operation for grade 5. Before that, let me give you an introduction of Swiflearn. What is Swiflearn? India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. 100% live and interactive classes, personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students, a dedicated academic mentor team to track and work on students' progress and cover syllabus as per school exam schedule and also handle custom requests. Let's see the key features of Swiflearn. So key features are here. We provide detailed progress report of the student to the parents in which every learning parameter is discussed in detail. Here student can take unlimited practice tests, that is both objective and subjective. Swiflearn academic test series is also there. So what are you waiting for? Book a free trial class now. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So let's begin our today's topic. Today's topic is International Number System. In the previous classes, 2 sessions, we have already discussed National Number System. So the topics we are going to learn today are the large numbers in International System of Numeration, writing in numerals from numbers in words, and also writing large number in words. So we are going to learn International Number System and how to write the numbers in words using the International Number System. Before that, let's have a revision. So our first question is, take the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and make any 3 numbers each having digit 8 in it. So let's begin our first number. Yes, our number. Let's start with the greatest number. It's your choice. You can make any number. You can form any number. It's not given you have to make greatest or smallest number. So let's write 8 in the beginning. And let's write the last one, smallest one. So it will be like this. 9, 8. So every number has 8 in it. Let's read the numbers. 9,87,654, 8,97,654, and last one 4,56,798. Let's do the next question. Read these numbers and arrange in ascending and descending order. So remember what is ascending and descending order? Yes, ascending is from smallest to greatest. That means we have to write the smallest number in the beginning, and in the end we have to write the greatest number. And what is descending order? Descending order means greatest to smallest. So we have to write the greatest number in the beginning and smallest number in the last. So I have told you the method, the very easy method. First we will insert the commas. Let's begin. Okay, remember to insert the commas in Indian number system. Then we will count the number of digits. Okay, let's begin. So this is the first number. Yeah, it has 6 digits in it. Let's count the digit in the next number. It has 5 digits. That means it's smaller than this number. Let's count for the third. Yes, so it has 8 digits, and that means it's a crore number. And the last one, remember when the number of digits are equal, what to do? Yes, we have to compare. Let's compare here in option third and option 4, the number of digits are equal, number of digits are 8. So we have to compare. Let's compare the first digit, 1 and 7. So which is bigger, 1 or 7? Yes, 7 is bigger. So I will mark 1, 2, 3, 4 for the numbers. So first we will do smallest to greatest, that is ascending order. Yes, this is the smallest number because it has 5 digits in it. Then it's next at the second, and this 3 and this 4. And the descending order is very simple. You have to write this number in the beginning, then this number, then this number, sorry, this and this. Yeah, so this is descending order and this is ascending order. Descending means greatest to smallest. So it will be smallest number. This is the greatest number. Okay, let's have one more question. Okay, so what is the result of adding the greatest 6-digit number and smallest 5-digit number? Do you remember the greatest 6-digit number? Yes, we should write here. So how many 9 will be included? 6 nines, right? Then what we have to do? We have to add. We have to add the smallest 5-digit number, and smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, right? So we have to do addition. So let's add them. Yeah, it will be 9, 0 and 9 makes 9, 9 and 0 makes 9, again it's 9, again it's 9, and 9 and 1 makes 10. So 1 will be carried forward, it will be 10. So the answer is 10,09,999. Okay, this type of question will be in your exams. These types of question हम oftenly exams में पूछे जाते हैं. So let's have revision of one more question. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using any digit twice. So we can use any digit twice because here the number of digits are 3 only. So we have to write greatest and smallest 4-digit number using 1 digit twice. So let's write. So which is greatest number first? 8. Yeah, then it's 7 and then it's 3, and in this it's 9, 5 and 0. First we will make the greatest number. So it will be 8, 8, 7, 3. So I have written 8 twice. It's your choice. You can write 7 twice or 3 twice. Then we have to write the smallest number. So we can write like this. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest 4-digit number of the option A. Now option B. Option B is given 905. So we can make the greatest number like this. 50, 9,950. I'm again using the greater number twice. And the second, this is the greatest number and the smallest number will be 5590. 5,590. So this is the answer for the second part. So this is the revision which we have learned in our previous 2 sessions. So let's begin our today's topic. So you remember the Steve and Shivani? Yes. So you remember that Shivani bought the laptop for the Steve and that cost rupees 1.8 lakh. But Steve is from America. He don't know the lakh form of number system, and Shivani is from India, so she is using Indian number of system. So we still haven't got our answer, and in today's class we will get our answer. Okay, to know the amount Steve needs to pay to Shivani to study about international number system as well. So we have studied the Indian number system, but it's very important that we should know what is international number system. So let's recall the Indian number system. This is unit period, this is thousand periods, this is lakhs period, and this is crores period. So in unit periods we have 100, tens and ones, ones, tens and hundreds, then 1,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. Okay, but Indian and you also remember how to insert the commas in the Indian number system. Yes, first comma after 100 after 1 unit period, then second comma after 1,000 period, then third comma after lakh period. So third comma after 10 lakh. So this is how we insert commas in Indian number system. Now let's learn how to insert commas in international number system. So how to insert? It's a bit different. We put commas after three zeros in this example. That means the unit period, this unit period will include 3 digits, and the next unit period will also include 3 digits, and the next will also include 3 digits. Now what are these units? So let's see the names of the unit. So I'm showing you the international number system, and let's see how we can insert what are the unit periods in international number system. This unit period is same, this is called the unit period, and it's same as the Indian number system. It's ones, tens and hundred. And now we have thousand period. It's also called thousand period. The name is same, but in this we have thousand, we have 10,000, and we have 100,000. Instead of lakh in an Indian number system, here we have 100,000. And next we have million, 10 million and 100 million. Then this is billion. Okay. So first unit period is same as in Indian number system, and the next, instead of lakh we have 100,000, and instead of 10 lakh we have million, instead of crore we have 10 million, and 10 crore we have 100 million. So this, in this international number system, we have unit periods that will include three digits. That means we have to insert commas after every 3 digits. So Indian numeral system, let's see. In Indian numeral system we have ones, thousand, lakhs, crores and as periods. Commas are used to mark thousand, lakhs and crores after the unit period. Then we have thousand, and then we have lakh, and then we have crore in Indian number system. Now in international number system, what's the difference? Difference is, similarly in the international system we have thousand, million and billion periods. Commas are used to make thousand, millions and billions. So no lakh and no crore. We have million and we have billions. Okay, this is the difference. So let's see the international number system, how to represent a number in an international number system. So ones period will include, or we also call it unit period, will include 100, tens and ones. Ones, tens, 100 are same. This unit period is same. Then in thousand, I have already told you, it will include 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then in million periods, millions, we have million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay, so 100 millions will include 9 digits. So let's see, the example is given here. Let's try to read this example. So at the 100 million place we have 9, then we have 8, then we have 7, then we have 6, 5, 4 and 3, 2, 1. Let's insert commas after 3 digits. Yeah, so now you can read the number. It's 987,654,321. Alright, so understood what is international system, number system? It's the difference is only that it will include 100,000, million, 10 million and 100,000. That means in one period we will have 3 digits. This is the difference, and this is the thing we have to remember. Otherwise the unit period is same. So let's compare. Let's do the comparison. So it's ones, tens, 100 is 10,000. Sorry, is 10,000. Is 1,000 is 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. And in international number system we have ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So this is international number system. I will write NIN, and Indian number system, this is Indian number system. Okay, I will write I for it. Okay, so easy hai? It's easy. Yeah, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so let's do some more questions. Before that, we will understand here. I have already told you that in place of lakh we have 100,000. That means 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay. So 10 million, what is 10 million? 10 million is 1 million into 10. So 10 million will include 7 zeros. Okay, so let's do some exercise. So international number system, what is 1 lakh equal to? 1 lakh, पहले तो हमें लिखते हैं 1 lakh में कितने zeros होते हैं. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the previous session, we have learned this thing that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, right? Okay, so 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Simple. You have to just count the number of zeros and it's 100,000. Now we have another question. The question is that we know that 1 crore equals to 100 lakh. And 100 lakh will include how many zeros? 7 zeros. So you have to remember the number of zeros only. Then it's easy. So 1 crore will include, obviously it will include 7 zeros, right? So I'm writing this in the Indian number system, but I will change to international number system. So it's like this. So we have 10 here. So what that is equal to? That is equal to, you are correct, that is equal to 10 million. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million. So 10 million has 7 zeros in it and 1 crore also has 7 zeros in it. You have to just compare the number of zeros, then it's easy. You will know what 1 crore is equal to, and in other examples also like lakh, 10 lakh and other number system. So interesting fact, let's see an interesting fact. The question is that the fastest record for a person counting to 1 million is 89 days. So one person has counted 1 million for 89 days and his name is Jeremy Haver of Alabama, holds the Guinness World Record for counting to 1 million. He live streamed the entire process. That took almost 89 days. He spent 16 hours per day counting aloud, while 8 hours were for eating and sleeping. So how many 9 days has took the person to count up to 1 million? So it's not easy to count up to 1 million. Okay, so let's see an example. How much is 600,000 in words? So in words, she is saying that in the Indian number system, she is saying it's 60 lakh, right? Because we know in 60 lakh how many zeros? Yes, there are 6 zeros. And he is saying that in international number system, 6 million. He is also right. It's 6 million. So both are correct or wrong? Who is correct? Yes, they both are correct, because 60 lakhs will include how many zeros? 6 zeros, and 6 million will also include 6 zeros. So both are saying 6 million is equal to 60 lakhs. Now answer this question. Can you answer this now? 1.8 lakh of Shivani for Steve, and yes, you are right, it's 180,000 for Steve. So Steve has to give 180,000 as per the international number system. Now you can change Indian number system to international number system and international system to Indian number system. Okay, now it's easy. समझना है कितने zeros हैं, बस याद रखना है कि लाख में कितने zeros हैं, मिलियन में कितने zeros हैं. So फिर तो easy है compare करना, right? Okay, now let's convert numbers to words and words to number. So कैसे करेंगे? Writing in words as 7-digit number. So 7-digit number को हम पहले words में लिखेंगे. तो 7-digit number, yes, you're right, it will be million. So let's begin. So it will be 3,553,618. Okay, This is 7-digit number. You can write for 8 and 9-digit also. So this is 8-digit number. In 8-digit number is, it will be 14,635,242. समझ में आ गया कैसे लिखना है? अब क्वेश्चन है and you have to answer it. So this is challenge of the day. So ready for challenge of the day? Yeah. So let me see how many of you can answer it right. John can eat a sixth of a pizza. So that means there are 6 pieces of pizza, right? Okay. In 2 minutes. It takes 3 minutes. And there is another, she's Billy. And she eats 1/4 of the same pizza. That means 1/4 of the same pizza. That means 4th part. If John and Billy start eating 1 pizza each, who will finish first? Let's think and answer. I think they both will finish at the same time. Let's see. Yes, 1 pizza that John will eat 6/6 of the pizza that in 2 minutes. That means in 12 minutes he can finish 1 pizza, and Billy will eat 1 pizza in 3 minutes, 1 slice of a pizza in 3 minutes, and there are 4 slices, that is again 12 minutes. So they both will finish after 12 minutes. And आप लोग कितना टाइम लगाते हैं पिज़्ज़ा खाने में? 5 minutes? Okay. So let's see this, how to write in words. Write the numeral. Now it's given the number in words and you have to write in numeral. So the number is 560,830,460. One thing, do it. It will make you to write in the numeral form very easy. First put the place values, then put the numbers below them as it's given here. And then it's easy for you to write the number. There will be no mistake. At 1's place we have 6. At 10's place we have 1. At 100 place we have 4. Then in 1000's place we have nothing because it's 30. So it's 0 here. So it's 10,000 place is 3. 100,000 is 8. 1 million it's 0 again because it's 560. So it's 10 million will have 6 and 100 million will have 5. Yeah, so understood how to write number that is given in words and you have to write in its numeral form. Now the question is for you. How you will write? Yes, first write the place value. That is very important. Then 48, question is 48,875,018. So it's 48 million. So no 100, no number at 100 place. 48, so we'll write for an 8 in place of 48. Okay, I will use another color that will be visible. So I will write like here 48. Then 870. 870, that means no number at 1000 place is 0. Then 5018. Okay, so 75, that means we have to put 5 at 1000's place and then it's 18. So no number at 0. Okay, so the answer will be no number at 100 million. So it's 48 million. So we'll write 48 million. Then we will insert comma 8,705, 75,018. Okay, let's do one more question. Okay, let's solve. You have to write the following number and following number in number names, both Indian number system and international number system. First we will write the international number system and let's insert the commas first of all. Then write the place values. Right, it's 1000. This is the only difference. Is 1000 is 10,000. And in lakhs place we have 100,000. Okay, TH, and then it's million, not crore. Okay, so it's 2 million. So let's write the number. It's 2 million. Yeah, 67. So we have 67 678. Okay, it's like this, 678. I'm writing in international number system. 678 475 8,000, right? So we have to put 1000 and then write 475. 400, 600, I forget to write here 100, 600, so it's 100 and 75. Okay, so the number is 2,678,475 in international form. Now we have to write in Indian form. So Indian form is 20, yeah, you're right, is 26 lakh, 26 lakh. So now you're able to write the numbers and international and national form, and you can compare also. Okay, so it's 76 lakh, then we have 26 lakh, 78,000, 78,475, 78,475, 475. Okay, so 1000, we'll write it properly. Okay, let me write it properly. Okay, yeah, so it's 26 lakh 78,475. Okay, so 400. So check the number, check it again. Have you written the lakhs? Have you written 1000? Have you written 100? Okay. Okay, let's do one more question. Yeah, so the answer is correct. It's 2,678,475, and next is also correct, 26,78,475. So let's solve more because we have learned the things. तो अब हमें आना भी चाहिए उसको कैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं, कि हम देखते हैं हमारा जो हमने सीखा है तो हमने कितना उसको सीखा है, 100% सीखा है या 99% सीखा है. Write the numbers and number names according to the international number system. So first insert the comma, very first step, yes, after 3 period. So here we have 54. So we have to write the number names. So let's write the number names. So it's 54. Okay. So 54. 54, what is this? Million, right? 54 million. 400, let me put first 54 million. Yeah, 400. It's easy. 400. 38, 676, right? 676, right? Okay, so don't forget to put the number place values. So we are writing the place value is 1000, is 10,000, and HT for 100,000, then it's million, then it's 10 million. Okay, so it's same ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So here the answer will be 3 million. Let's write our answer. Yeah, so we have 3 million, 678, yeah, 78,000. We are writing the number names in international form. So 78,475, 400 and 7, yeah, 7 75. Okay, yeah, so we have learned the international system and we have also learned how to write the number names. So let's revise place value. So how to read, let's revise again. How to read number is 560-830-506 according to both international and number system. So first we will do the international system. So insert the commas after three digits. So it's 560,830,416. Well done. Now we will read as international number system. So we have to insert the commas like this. So we will write the place values. It will be easy. If you write the place values, then it's easy for you to read the number. Yeah, so it's 10 crores. So it's 56 crore, 8 lakh, because there are no number as 10 lakh place. So 8 lakh 30,416. So we have learned the number systems. Okay, let's insert the commas and write the number in words according to Indian number system. Don't get confused in Indian international number system. Yeah, it's easy. First insert the commas, write the place values, and here you go. Okay, so it's 10,000, sorry, it's 1,000, 10,000, and we have lakh and we have 10 lakh. Here we have ones, tens, 100, lakh, sorry, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So we have 7,36,534, and here we have 65,73,586, and we have to write it in number names. So we will write it like this: 7,36,000. So we'll write 36,542. 542. Okay. Let's check it again. 7,36,542. Let's write another number fast. Yeah. So we have 65 lakh. So it's 65 lakh. 73,000, 3,586, 586, right? Okay, so we have revised the Indian number system also. So write in the numeral form. Now the number is given and you have to write a numeral form in the Indian number system because it's crores. So it's 3 crores 6 lakh 30,043. So how we will write the numbers? So 3 crore, right? So we have to write crores place. We know in crores we have 7 zeros is 6 lakhs. So no numbers at 10 lakhs. So we'll write 6 lakh 30,000. So we have to write 30,000. 43. So no number at 100 place, and it's like this. Okay, and this number is in the international form because it has million in it. It's 6,500,054,730. So how will you write? It's 6,544,544, 544, right? 54, sorry. It's 554. So we will write like this: 554. Let's write it again. Okay, so 554,730. 730. Let's insert the commas. This is our international form and this is our Indian number system. Okay, so I write only I for Indian number system. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, so let's proceed. Now is quiz time. अब तो क्विज होना चाहिए. अब थोड़ा चेक भी कर लें कुछ समझ आया भी कि नहीं. Okay, rewrite the following number placing comma as per the international number system. Do you remember in international number system we put commas after every 3 digit? So every 3 digit, this is the first option, and here are commas after every 3 digit. The second will not be the option, third will not be the option, and fourth will not be the option. Yes, let's check the first option. Yeah, it's correct. So this is the number. Rewrite the following number in international number system. So it's given in Indian number system because the comma is after every 2 digit. So we have to check for the 3 digit. Okay, so I can't find, it's in between, it's not 3, but in the last it's not 3. Yeah, so last one is the option. Okay, so next you have to write in words. So how you will know it's Indian and international system? Correct, the numbers are after every 3 digits. That means it is international number system, and international number system is 209 million, right? 343, and we have 381. I will insert the space. 381. Yes, so 209,343,000. we have to check 1000, and then we have 381. So it's 300 here. Okay, so I've written it twice. Okay, 300, 300. So we have to write 300 here and 81 after it. Okay, 381, right? 81. Okay, let's move to our next question. So next question is, again you have to write in words, and again the number is in with 3 commas, 3 digits, and after the commas. So how to write? We have to write 789 million, right? It's million. Then we have 409, 400. Sorry, I write 100. You have to check spellings also. It's very important to check the spellings. 409 thousands, right? Thousands. 90. Okay, so let's check another. 600,250. So 600,215. So this is the answer. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we are correct. Let's move to our presentation back. Okay, so what we have learned today, let's wind up what we have learned. Yes, we have learned writing large number in words, writing large in numeral forms in words, large number in international number system, and we have also revised whatever we have learned in our previous sessions. Hope to see you again, so keep smiling. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet soon. Bye bye.